Did you make one?
Does nobody here really know what omelette de fromage means? Come on.
Nope, sadly.
Come on.
It's gonna be like, I don't know. What the fuck?
Come on.
I'm gonna see if Draco.
Ash. What the fuck is Ash?
Omelette de fromage.
Yeah, what the fuck is that?
None of you have seen Dexter's Laboratory, obviously.
Oh.
But does nobody really knows what fromage means?
No.
You don't know what fromage means?
Okay, that's odd. That's really odd.
What does omelette sound like?
Omelette.
What does it sound like?
Omelette, it's
there you go, someone said it.
It's something with an egg, but it's
Omelette de fromage.
Yellow.
Somebody said the first part of it. What's the other part of it? This actually bothers me that none of you know what omelette de fromage means.
For some reason, I get omelet of cheese. I don't know why.
That's basically it. It's cheese omelet. God.
Are you serious?
Yes. Jesus Christ. Omelette de fromage. It's pretty basic.
I don't know how I got that, but
fuck.
Wow. Just wow. Oh, Max, what was that I saw?
Is there even a... are we just voting for Max?
Yeah, just... Fuck. It's always me. It's always Heat Zone. He always sees me. I cannot get anything...
Because you're not killing effectively.
I will kill you effectively next time. I'll shove the knife.
Just vote for Heat Zone, Max, and get it over with. You already know you're getting yeeted anyway. Nashi was with me.
Rule number 1: wait till no one is around you. At least try to. Maybe turn off the lights. But...
Heat Zone.
Yay!
Heat Zone. I will effectively shove the knife right up your butt. I'm eating Cheez-Its right now, and I love Cheez-Its.
But you should be having omelette de fromage.
I know.
Dude, I can go make one right now while I wait.
Listen, I can't eat.
I can. We've got eggs and cheese in the fucking fridge. Everyone should have at least one thing of eggs.
That's the peak top of playing Among Us. So what did you do? Oh, you know, I could have been doing my task now. I made omelette de fromage.
Omelette de fromage.
Omelette de fromage.
Well, I'm dead.
Okay, vitals. Kale died.
Oh, Nikes.
Yes, I am dead.
Nashi was acting a little sus.
What do you mean?
Like just hanging around.
I saw someone hanging around in O2 a long time.
It's Chloe!
Nashi just kept standing in like the middle of a room.
It's Chloe!
Not doing anything.
Stop! No!
Okay.
And moved rooms. But I'm not 100% sure it's Nashi.
Okay, so.
No, don't.
It could very well be you though.
Yeah, not me. I doubt it. Everyone knows where I am because I muted the. Okay, so Chloe was on the right side.
Right.
No.
I was on the right side as well.
Where on the right? No, that's not right. No. No. Right when I called the meeting, everyone was not. No one was near the lava because everyone was like towards the left side or maybe the top. Someone was in the storage room. I don't believe Chloe.
Yeah.
Oh
my god, they both voted for me? What?
Max, you better not be the killer this round.
I'm not. I raise my right hand and say I'm not. Kale will attest to that when he is able to speak again. Alright, I'm muting. What?
They disconnected, that's why.
God. I knew it was you, Kale, for some reason, as we were leaving. God damn it, I was like, wait a minute. We got 5 people now.
Re-kid.
Re!
It's re-kid.
Oh, yeah.
I did find a dead body near where we spawned. Max was following me. I don't know why. I didn't see him be the killer though. It's Heatstone's body I found. I don't know. Max was following me suspiciously, but I did not see him do anything.
It's because I didn't want to get killed. I really think it's Ree.
Why? What did you have to go up to the reactor for? What was your task in there?
No, I was in that lab area where where the computers are on the thing where you gotta upload the whatchamacallit file.
Who'd you guys vote for?
I think it's Max.
What? Wow. Just freaking full on
AFK.
AFK.
Oh, there goes Max.
Fuck.
Were you the killer?
I have to say this now, Kale. You guys were both in the reactor. Draco was
Yeah!
I don't know how he killed
I saw him
Draco.
go into the reactor with me and he didn't do anything, and I'm just like,
No,
that's
I legitimately.
No. Listen. I went as a ghost. I went up to the reactor to see what was happening. Max and you and Dragor were in there, and only you and Max came out. He killed Dragor as you were walking.
oh, I didn't even see it.
As you
You
looked
didn't see
away,
it. No, he
away
killed
from
it right
Dragor
where
and
you
I
were.
killed him.
That was
And then I was
hilarious as fuck.
God, that.
I couldn't hold my. I had a gaping mouth like, oh my god, how to kill my.
I just found a dead body and Max was running right from it. Max was acting suspicious right from the get-go.
Yeah, it's
Right
Max
from the
because
get-go?
it's with me.
I was with Dragor.
It's not Heatzone because
And
I saw
Ree's
him doing the
dead.
gas can thing right at the beginning, so I know he has tasks. And Max was acting suspicious, so I'm voting for Max.
Sorry, Max.
Sorry, Max.
Bye.
he vote for himself.
I wanted to go for Kale, but I was like,
I saw you eyeing me up. That's why I was like, that's suspicious. You just keep standing there and looking at me for a few seconds.
darn it!
I denied the visit of the.
Oh, why did you leave?
Rejoin. ATHL.
Out of all the times to leave Dragor, why?
I know, right?
God,
Maybe it's connection. Sometimes with the phone it does that.
Unacceptable.
Because Bajara tried doing that and I kept kicking him.
I
like,
don't
after
care. It's
every round.
unacceptable. No Omelette Au Fromage for you.
Can I have his chair? Can I have his chair?
I can't have eggs. It makes me sad.
Why does that, that sound so odd?
can't have eggs.
I
It
can't
makes
have
me
eggs.
sad.
That makes me sad.